Okay, guys, welcome to Dynamo Airlines. Yeah, do you even know how to fly a plane? No. Wait, what? Oh my. Yeah, so technically, if I crash this plane, y'all are all going with me. So then why did we agree to go with you? I don't know, you guys were kind of foolish for letting me fly this thing anyway. Just great. What? Oh, looks like the plane is about to crash. Are you kidding me? Well, this thing couldn't possibly get lost. Oh, and it looks like you're going down. Phew. Ah! And that's why you do not let people who do not know how to fly a plane properly fly a plane. I hope this taught some sense into you guys. It most likely didn't.